How do? Welcome to another Olivera video.
Yes.
We made it
garden.
by the skin of our teeth. We're shooting this right before we load it up to YouTube. So it's like almost live. We had a little bit of a different video this month because we recently had a bunch of friends over and they didn't say our garden looked like total crap, which means either they're just like very lovely people or the garden doesn't look like total crap.
They were very complimentary. So
we thought, why not give everybody a look-see?
Sure. Yeah.
It's spring.
Yep.
Things are in flame.
But it's kind of like a look into our failures, like what not to do.
I don't think we failed too bad.
Well, then we figured it out. But yeah, we failed first.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Take a look. So this was the yard.
Yeah, that's how it all started.
It was a big square with a giant 100-foot liquid amber tree.
Literally 100 feet.
Yep.
That was the patio, which is
Then there was a second patio out in the middle of the yard.
currently our playroom.
In case you needed like a launching pad for greater things, greater ambitions, like a trip to the back fence.
We put the girls to work very
Right away.
quickly.
Running the sprinklers. Irrigation duty.
And we realized we needed to kind of chop it up pretty quickly and put a big border in. So that's what we
pretty
did.
big for, in Southern California.
Yeah, it is. It's a big lot.
We kind of split it up so that we had, one area that was kind of more of a patio area and then another that was like primarily grass for the kids to play on.
And then a DG and pad in the back.
Yes.
Where we could do lots of different things. We thought we were going to do trampoline eventually, garden beds. And looking back, we kind of bit off a lot, but I think it turned out okay.
Especially the dirt bike track.
We figured it out along the way. But one of the first things that we did not figure out, or it took me a while to figure this out, was how to properly water and how to deal with kind of fungal issues and fungal disease. Because I think one of the trickiest parts is that it presents differently for different plants. So for like our nectarine trees, it presents as peach leaf curl. And I'm spraying copper here because that's what you do. That's how you get rid of it. And if you spray it during the dormant season, that's going to be the best. Like if you're kind of chasing it, once it happens, it gets a little bit tricky to kind of figure out how to do it. But yeah, just generally fungal issues are like pretty tricky. The second thing that I think was really hard was scale, figuring out scale. And the first tree, which was this one, that I saw it on, I kind of didn't think anything of it. I didn't know what was going on. And I would say within like 2 weeks, the tree went from like beautiful to almost dead. It was like one of the fastest growing problems I've ever, I would say the fastest growing issues. Now, we fix it with mineral oil. It was really easy just to fix it with mineral oil. You spray it just once over. I think I show you here. We also, if you look and have ants on your tree, ants are a really good indication that something is wrong because ants like sugar. And so usually something is sucking the sugar out of the tree, like scale in this case. So this is where I sprayed the mineral oil. You don't have to spray a lot. You just do like one squirt over the area and it takes care of it usually very easily, very quickly. And this tree is now thriving. The third one that was really hard to kind of get under control was called citrus leaf curl. And if you look, it just on your citrus trees makes your trees curl up like that, like look really ugly. And it's like
makes trees ugly.
It takes it's like a little leaf miner. It like mines in the leaves and then it makes them curl up and then it makes your trees not grow. So we got rid of that with spinosad. And then the final thing that has given me many gray hairs are pests, birds, rodents, rabbits. If you follow us on Instagram, you know the rabbit drama. There's just like a ton of rabbit drama.
Rabbits.
Right here, you see the birds trying to dig up our
the
beds,
seeds,
the flower beds.
The seedlings.
Well, they're digging up the seeds, but they're actually looking for grubs. So the vermiculite that I spread over it kind of looks a little bit sometimes like in the light, like grubs, and so the crows just get in there and go to town. So we got these.
Not work.
We got these terrible owls. They didn't work for us.
These do not work.
They didn't work for us.
Yeah.
So
Oh, yeah.
they might work
They
for
didn't
other
work
people.
for us. Who knows?
These
Maybe we used them wrong.
Yeah. These pinwheels didn't really work either, but Izzy had a fun time. Honestly, the only thing that has worked for us, whether it's crows, bunnies, mice, birds, whatever, really are
Coverage,
physical barriers.
fencing,
Physical barriers. You
yeah.
have to keep them out because all of the gimmicks, all of the sprays, like, I don't know, none of them worked for us. Even coyote spray, we used to use that, but animals just come back. Like, I don't know, after,
They're like, yo, there's no coyote here.
Like, what's going on?
What else? I mean, every place smells like coyote pee, right?
Totally. So we put this up for the rabbits, although the tiny rabbits are getting through, so we have to put up some rock behind it.
Yeah.
But it actually dramatically reduced it because we were getting probably
chicken
like
wire.
20 to 30
Yes.
rabbits.
Yeah, it was
right?
like literally a golden corral for rabbits in the backyard.
Totally. And then the other thing that we do that we have a short on, if you want to look, check that out. We put bags on our fruit because really, like, it protects it from all different types of critters, whether it's rodents, whether it's birds, and then you don't have to worry about big netting. So the other thing we learned was garden placement.
Garden placement.
Make sure you know where you want to put your stuff before. So Evan built these beautiful beds. He put them lined up in a row because I thought, oh, I'll do small flowers in the front, middle flowers in the middle, and then big flowers in the end. And then the night that he put all of the dirt, soil into those beds, I told him about my vision of wanting to walk under an arch of roses.
It's always been a dream of mine to walk under an arch of roses. Oh. Probably should have told me that before I filled these with dirt, but...
In fairness, I was thinking we were going to put the arch of roses in a different spot in the yard, not in the beds. But then you came up with this beautiful idea. But I did say to you, maybe we'll do it like next year. You can move it in like 2 years. Like, I gave you an hour.
I wasn't going to move it in 2 years. No, it was now or never.
So you decided willingly to take out the dirt from that first, well, take out the dirt from the first two, and then move the beds.
Move the beds.
Yeah, which I really appreciate because now it looks really pretty. So
Great.
You did a really good job.
Did you get your dream?
My dream is coming true. Well, because the roses aren't all the way up the arch, but it will be. See, and the positioning looks so much better too.
Sure.
And I'm gonna put a nice pot in the back over there on the right side. And we're gonna grow some Chinese viburnum, which is gonna be so beautiful. I'm saying this out loud because he doesn't want to do that. So we filled these beds. I wanted to make them flower beds at first. Like at the time, Izzy loves the arch. At the time I had like probably like 200 floret flowers going in the garage thinking I was going to plant them.
Yeah.
They ended up not working.
Under little lights in the garage, yeah.
They ended up not working. So
Cops are like, what are you growing in there?
last year I decided to grow veg in there, and then this year I tried again, and now things are thriving in there. So they look really pretty. The roses are coming up over.
Yep.
We've got sunflowers going right now. We've got celosia coming through, and then in the summer I'm going to have dahlias and zinnias are going to pop next. So it's just going to be so pretty, and I'm so excited. So good job moving that, babe. You did a great job.
Great.
Oh, and those are our cosmos. So this year I did like themes for the bed.
Oh my.
Each bed had a theme.
Oh my.
That didn't quite work out as well because the beds are so close. So what I learned is that if you have 3 beds like this that are in close proximity, just like stick with one theme because otherwise it's going to look a little hodgepodgey. So I have learned. So now I'm going to kind of like pull it all in, rein it all in, and we're going to go with the first theme, which was like a Pride and Prejudice old-timey theme.
Okay.
So, okay?
No, I had 2 points of my own.
Oh, okay, great.
Like, dude, what is this thing and why are we planting it? And it doesn't just apply to this plant, which nearly killed me. No joke. I was like allergic to this thing apparently.
I was so excited about it. I love it. I love how tall it got.
It produces like a plant steroid that can cause like cardiovascular problems.
So it's milkweed, and milkweed can do that for some people.
Okay.
You happen to be some.
So then the other one is reiterating the importance of knowing exactly where you want your planter beds before You fill them with dirt.
Fine. We'll reiterate that
Okay.
point.
But no, seriously, like also on this point, like kind of knowing what you want to co-plant and whether or not the co-planters are going to be like weeds that grow in your face and are annoying or beautiful, like oregano, you know, the sage, like these are useful, like basil, rosemary. These are all very useful co-planting plants. And then you have this red thing. Which is fine. It's pretty enough, right? And it's got these kind of strange red flowers that don't really like open because they're for hummingbirds.
Yes, it's a type of magenta.
I get it.
Yeah.
But they grow like weeds. Here it is overtaking a tree.
Yeah, the olive tree.
And we cut them all the time.
Yeah.
And then just in general, when you're planting, making sure that you put some space between maybe your plants, especially the ones that are right near your like fruit production trees, because people like me get stuck and we can't get around and do what we need to do in places.
Do you really need to get around though?
Well, I mean, if I'm putting bags on trees or
that's true.
If I'm filling things with mulch, look at this. I'm like, where am I going? I'm like getting lost in the forest back there. You know what I mean?
I kind of love it.
No, it's cool. And another thing to kind of think about too is like in the winter, your trees look very small. And then they're not.
True.
And so that's something to consider too, is keeping your trees a manageable size, because when suddenly they have all their foliage on them, they are massive. And then the co-planting things that you have in between can be tricky.
Yeah.
So this is kind of the before.
Yeah.
And here's after.
That's
From the orange trees to the apples, the garden.
Flower beds.
More orange in the back.
Love it.
And then on the other side, where that giant 100-foot tree was, we now have like this beautiful strawberry tree, which is, I think, probably about 12 feet now.
Yeah, she's so pretty.
And our garden.
Yeah, our border.
Yep. Carrots in cages because bunny rabbits.
Corn.
But the corn's doing well. We've got the
potatoes.
Yep, potatoes. You know, we've got tons of stuff.
Yeah.
Tons of great stuff.
It's
and
doing
that beautiful garden.
It's getting there. Love it.
Yeah. I like it.
Such a good job. Great job, babe.
Well, okay. How was that? Not bad?
No, not bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. In the links below, we don't have any like funky tools that we used really. I mean, shovels, you know?
Yeah.
Rakes.
No.
Stuff like that. Wheelbarrow?
No.
No?
No.
But you got some links to the seed companies you like?
Yep.
Okay.
Some fertilizers we use organic.
Yep. That we've had some pretty good success with.
Yeah.
And then the spinosad? You want to throw that
probably.
in there?
I'll put that in there.
For the orange trees which have given us so much trouble.
Yep.
But
we're also going to do a bunch of shorts on like in June, so stay tuned on soil and sun and all that good stuff. So
we're going to teach you how to get more sun. All right.
You're ridiculous.
Catch you next time.
Bye.